Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage the manager settings on your TP-LINK Deco X50. So first we need to go over to more in the TP-LINK Deco app. Now here we have the managers, they are right here for me. You can be on this page right here, so all you have to do is just scroll. Now go to managers, and here as you guys can see I'm the only owner, but we can add a manager. So we need to enter the TP-LINK ID, which is the email, and for example somebody has a mail like that, then at let's say gmail.com, and then we will be able to send an invite. But as you guys can see, the TP-LINK ID does not exist with that email. So this is how we can basically manage them, and when we add one, then we will be able to basically delete it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.